Hi, it's Mrs. Hull. I want to talk to you guys today about some ways that you can help your students with math. I've had lots of questions from parents asking specifics about math, and I will happily do video with you guys anytime about math. Please keep those questions coming because I want to know what questions you guys have. But I also want to let you know a great resource that you could use to get really specific answers about math. I want to show you a great place. This is also a great place for us to get an overview about the third grade math skills we were talking about in a previous video. So I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to walk you through Khan Academy. I'm sharing my screen with you now. You can see my computer and I'm here in Google. Here at Google, I'm going to Google KHAN, Khan Academy. Khan Academy. There is an app you can download, but you for an iPad or an iPhone or even Amazon as well. But you can also just go to the website and go to Khan Academy. I'm going to go straight over here to where it says, actually, let's just go to the Khan Academy website. It has lots of fun things. Learners, teachers, let's be learners. Oh, there's Sal Khan. He's a great guy. Education for all. Okay. So we're going to be learners. Oh, it wants us to set up a profile. I'm actually not even going to do that because I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you something even simpler. Let's just go straight to math. Bam, here we are in math. It shows you early math, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, and beyond. This is a really accurate picture of what third graders need to know. And some of your students have some work they need to do with the second grade standards. So that's a good place to do the review and then move on here. So your students have already done introduction to multiplication, but if they're struggling with that, this is a place to see that. Addition, subtraction, and estimation. I think all students and all third graders struggle with estimation in the last few years, and that's understandable. These videos will help you get a better sense of how we do estimation. We have an introduction to division. Division and multiplication really connected. Your students understand that. Introduction to understanding fractions. This is an important one because we don't want third graders to bite off more than they can chew when it comes to fractions. Let's keep it small and understandable. And we'll start with just the understanding fractions piece here. We have multiplication and division, quadrilaterals. This is about shapes. Area, that's a big thing your students need to know. It's on the test at the end of the year. It won't be at the end of the year this year. I have a feeling we're going to have to take it twice next year. Here's perimeter, time, measurement, and representing data. So I think these ones in particular were ones that parents wanted a refresher on, that I received questions about. So I want to let you know that's all here. Measurement, time, fractions are here, and multiplication and division. So this is really where I would go. When you click on these, let's say we want to talk about understanding fractions. What do third graders need to know about fractions? Now we have these videos that are really powerful because it starts with a skill. And it just says, what is a fraction? And it's going to start you piece by piece walking through, okay? If it's too early, you can skip on to something that you need. But this, you can see that it has every piece by piece, and it gives them quizzes to check to see if they're understanding. It also has accompanying videos in English, in Spanish, and other languages so that we can check. Okay, so if we start right away in Introduction to Fractions, it's going to start us with a video about fractions. I'm going to turn the volume on for you. your students should understand this video and beyond. They should be able to understand. I'm going to pause Sal Khan here. So he has lots of these videos. You can watch these videos first and then explain them to your children, or you can have your children be watching these videos, up to you. And then it has a lesson page. On the lesson page, you're going to find, again, more detailed pieces. You're going to see all of the pieces that go along with it. I really enjoy Khan Academy because it is in depth. It will take you through, you don't have to know step by step what comes next. And I think a lot of us don't know that. So this website will lead you. What is the math content for 3rd grade? It is here, Khan Academy. They can lead you through what you need to know, okay? So that is a great resource for you. If you have any more questions there, you can let me know. So that is Khan Academy. I'm going to stop sharing that screen. And then before I leave, I just wanted to touch base with you for a few things. So I wanted to remind you a few things that teachers practice all the time. And that is, you may be feeling frustrated that your child has practiced something once or twice or even 3 times, and the next day they don't remember it. Okay, your child needs to practice a strategy or a tool 5 to 10 times before that becomes a process they're familiar with, just familiar with it. To become a master with it, they have to practice that skill 10, 15, 25 times. And there are studies that say if you spend hours practicing things, you'll become an expert. We are looking for fluency, which is being able to do it in a smooth and easy way where it's not extremely challenging. So that means that your children need to see the problems again and again. When you're reading, you don't read something fluently the first time. You might read things with choppy pieces. That's not fluent. You might have to read that again and again to make it fluent and beautiful. When you're learning to type, you might type super slowly until you really practice that, and then that becomes more fluent for you. And that's really our goal here with math, is we have a small teaching time, a small video, and we practice and practice that video, and then we stop and we go back and we do something else that we've already learned too. So for example, if you've done multiplication and division, excellent. Take a break, go back and do area and perimeter. Go back and do addition and subtraction. Can they do 1,000? Up to 1,000? So take breaks, do a small piece of learning and lots of practice. That will really help your children remember it the best. We're all in this together. I'm available FaceTime, video, Zoom conference, anything you need, you guys let me know and I can see what I can do to help. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what Khan Academy can do, and we can talk more soon. Thank you. Have a great day.